Hello, welcome back from summer holidays. My name is Kim Christensen, I'm CEO of Fenagy, and I think it's time to give you a short status on Fenagy and what we will be doing the second half of this year. So first, the market situation. We are still very busy in Denmark with air source heat pump, and we are very proud of a big project we just won before summer holidays in Billund on 16 megawatt air source heat pump. So it's our biggest project so far. Outside Denmark, we feel that things are going well in the Nordic countries. We see a lot of new projects in Sweden and in Finland. We see projects on data centers, heat recovery units for the industry. There's things going on biogas, Power-to-X and carbon capture, so it's all very well. Another great news on the market situation is that we got our first 4 projects in England just before summer holidays. Together, I think it's around 10 megawatt. So it's a big step for us to move to air source heat pumps in UK as well. And then we are looking into Germany. Germany have a huge challenge, I would say, in front of them. A lot of gas use is used for heating. Of course, they also have to electrify and decarbonize. And hopefully later this year, we'll have the first projects in Germany coming up. So that was a little bit on the market. On the product side, we are still busy, I would say, renewing and optimizing our CO2 range. We are looking into low pressure ejectors, which would make a lot of sense on chillers and water-to-water heat pumps. But we're also happy with introducing our hydrocarbon range with propane chillers and isobutane heat pumps into the market, and we are busy. I think already we did seven projects where we offered these units. So that will be very exciting as well. The last thing I would like to mention on the product side is high temperature heat pumps. So far we are doing up to 100 degrees water temperatures, but we want to exceed that and move to even higher temperatures. So 120, 140 and even up to 180 degrees with hydrocarbon and water vapor. So to do all that, of course, we need to have a bigger facility. So we just expanded our existing facility here in Aarhus. So the main building you see just behind me, we have expanded. We have a new warehouse behind it also. And then down the street here, if we move the camera a little bit, you can see a building down the road there. We actually were lucky that we could rent that one. And that is where our hydrocarbon production would be. So actually this August we have our 4-year anniversary, and we are proud that we are also getting close to 100 people as employees. So things are really moving in the right direction. So you can imagine that we will have a busy autumn. We will participate in Chilventa in October. We will be at Heat Expo in November. We will participate in Atmosphere Conference in Prague and Industrial Heat Pump Conference in Prague in November as well. And then we have all the district heating conferences in Denmark, Sweden and Norway as well. So come and say hello to us or visit us here in Aarhus. We are here for you. Thank you very much.